Hi, good morning. It's Paul here, Spaulding team, Berkshire Hathaway. It is May 29th, almost the end of the month. Time does fly. Anyway, here's what we got going on in the Greater Las Vegas Board of Realtors inventory, MLS I should say. Let's see what's new today. We have today a condo over on Flamingo, 160,000, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1997. Let's see what looks like it's just been refurbished. Nicely done. Terrible pictures because they're so small. Oh, they even have a spa tub with bubbles and candles. Interesting. Gym. Okay, let's see where this is. It is over on Flamingo in Buffalo, over in Spring Valley area. Okay, let's go over here to the highest priced one today, 700,000, 2,700 square feet, 3.3, 2-car garage, and a pool. Built in 88. Good architecture. I like those curves. It's like a large lot too. Yep. Probably 7,000 or 8,000 square foot, maybe 10,000 square foot lot. Nice flooring. Nice kitchen, lots of counter space. Interesting. Nice and clean. And how large is this little sucker? Oh, over an acre. Nice. And where is it? It is Greenway and Mission. Okay. Good little area of Henderson. Huh. It's nice. Okay. Now, yesterday. St. George, $84,000, $85,000 townhome, 1-in-1, built in 82. I think we looked at this yesterday. Because we had a late. I'm not sure. Some of these things just look all the same anymore. That's a nice Edison light bulb fixture. No, we didn't look at this one yesterday. 84.9. Civic Center in Cheyenne, North Las Vegas. Okay. Let's go to the next one. A lot of properties came on the market yesterday. $3.5 million for a 4,900 square foot, 1-story home, 4 or 5 bedrooms, 4-car garage, pool, spa. Oh, brand new. 2020. It's going to be built. Look at that beautiful pool. Now that is a nice looking house. Even though it is contemporary. Beautiful strip views. $3.5 million. Wowie kazowie. 4-car garage. It is artist rendition, of course, but that is something else. I love that open area. Dark sky. It's quite a house. The builder on this little guy. Custom, apparently. Doesn't say. Spectacular home. Oh, they inputted it. But 27,999,000 instead of 22.7 million. Whoopsie. But it says here, what, did I get the wrong one? It says 3.5 million here. God, wonder what I clicked on there. Okay, here we go. Hard star, 5-star, and Gilberti. Under construction. Wow. Pretty nice. Yeah, I hit that one before. 1 story. Man, okay. Well, that's that. Let's go on to the next step here, which is under contract. 418 under contract. How many closed escrow in the last couple of days? Today is the 29th, so we've had these reported today. We had the low end of a 1-story single family. Wow, 846 square feet, 2 bedrooms and a garage. That's interesting. Doesn't look like single family to me. It looks like it's a townhome. But you know, who am I to argue? Guess it's single family detached or attached. Yeah, attached. Multiple offers received. Conventional financing. Okie dokie. Manioki. 29th. Okay, and the highest priced one is a 2-story, 2,500 square foot, $395. This is the price. Oh, nice picture. Lots of yellow in there. Well, there's some pink. The colors are somewhat odd. Where are we? Pyle and Pollock. Close by here. Alright. Well, cool. That one's sold 103 days. Okay. Then, yesterday, Decatur, $100,000 1-story condo. Looks like upstairs. Yep. Nice. Decatur's over there in Spring Valley, I think. Yep. Oh no, this is up in North Las Vegas. So much for that. Alright. Okay, 28. A lot of them reported yesterday. Wow. Only 83. Okay, 1.6625. 5,800 square foot, 5 bedroom, 6 bath, 3 car garage, pool, spa, 2001 construction. Nice backyard. On the golf course. Nice setting. Okay. Alright, well that's that. Weather's getting nice. Let's see what happened. Well, today finally it's nice. Yesterday was kind of yucky. Let's find out what's going on with homes with pools. 189 went into escrow in the last 2 days. That's interesting. Across the street from each other. Oops. Forgot to put the pool in. That's why there were so many. 41. Clear out here in the Keys. Alright. So. 335, 539, 319, 429, 289, 349. Let's find out what we got here. Highest priced, lowest price is 110, little townhome. We've got to click on single family. Only 40 for the weekend. So 200 is the lowest price. 11 days on the market. 3.45. 20 days on the market. Wow. Oh, that's a nice castle. I like that. Wow. Pretty cool. Look at that. I'd buy that too. Feel like royalty. Very nice. Wow. On the lakes, maybe. Boat and dock. Wow. Three-story with a basement. Yep, Lake Sahara. Interesting stuff. 3.5 million. Curious, conventional financing, okay. Okay. Well, that's that. Oh, 14 minutes. Time to say goodbye for the day. Goodbye. Talk to you tomorrow.